We're going to start in an all fours position, shoulders over hands, hips over knees, and what we're going to do is take one leg off the ground and we're going to push that heel to the ceiling. So the idea here is we're getting glute activation as we lift. Now this might not feel much the first few reps, but if you're doing it and you're focusing, it's going to be difficult for the core, but also for the glutes and a little bit in the hamstring. We're going to complete the reps that are designated on one side, and then we're going to move to the other. We want to minimize there's any rotation through the hips, so try and keep as stable as you can here. The object of the exercise is not to get the heel as high as possible. It's not what we want. What we want to do is activate the glute, lift it high as we can go without the hips rotating. So about there is where my hips will start to rotate. So we'll do it nice and slow. This is a good speed. Get the reps done that are designated on the left and then the right.